काज कचनाए सब मिल कहे परस पर बाता जिन सुध गया करम काव्याता तो अंगद लो जनवर वारी पदों प्रभार में.
This is the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, a city facing the Saryu River in Faizabad district of Uttar Pradesh. The construction of the temple, which started in 2019, has now picked up pace. Nripendra Mishra, the chairman of the construction committee of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth Kshetra Trust, confirmed to the Indian Express that the temple will open its doors to devotees in January 2024. The construction of the main temple on the 2.77 acres of land will be completed in 3 phases on the expansive 70-acre premises of Ram Janmabhoomi. On November 9th, 2019, after the Supreme Court verdict in the Babri Masjid demolition case, this 2.77 acres of disputed land was handed over to the Temple Trust for the construction of Ram Mandir. 8 months after the verdict, Prime Minister Narendra Modi performed Bhumi Pujan on the 5th of August 2020. And this marked the start of a new chapter. The temple and the Parkota or the Parikrama corridor will occupy 9 acres of land. The temple will be 360 feet long and 235 feet wide with a total height of 161 feet including the peak. It will have 3 floors, each with a height of 20 feet. The ground floor will feature 160 columns and the first floor with 132 columns and the second floor will feature 74 columns. There is also a plan to make Gopuram and 7 temples dedicated to 7 rishis on the premises. Meanwhile, the Parkota, the Pilgrimage Facilitation Center and over 2,000 toilets will be completed by December 2023. A senior L&T engineer said about 4.75 cubic feet of the special Bansi Paharpur pink sandstone will be used for just the main temple. The temple construction site falls under Zone 3 as per the Indian seismic zoning system, but the temple has been designed to withstand the seismic activity of Zone 4. The Temple Trust is ensuring the structure is capable of standing strong for the next 1,000 years and surviving earthquakes. Initially, after consulting L&T and Tata Consulting Engineers, a pile foundation was attempted to create the foundation of the temple. However, during testing, the foundation tilted at multiple points. A technical committee was formed which included L&T, Central Building Research Institute, NIT Surat and IITs in Delhi, Madras, Kanpur and Guwahati to solve the soil issue. The Garbhagriha is the heart of the temple. This is where the 2 statues of the new and existing Ram Lalla will be placed. As per estimates, if 2.5 lakh people visit over a 16-hour time period in a day, a devotee will only get 1 second for darshan.
That's where the Lord will be standing. It's a standing pose, roughly 51 inches, age 4 to 5 years, on lotus, with something in a manner that it attains the height of 8 feet. Why that is necessary to predict? Because the work which is being done to bring the light, that is being funneled and being brought to that height.
To the
forehead. Forehead on a Ram Navami day.
Despite the deadline fast approaching, there is still significant work to be done, including intricate sculpture work and ceiling construction. The architect of the temple is C.B. Sompura, who is responsible for the entire design and carving of the temple superstructure. During the construction of the temple, among many things, the trust deliberated on altering the stairs and removing a raised structure.
Because it was the surest prescription for a stampede.
Around 2,200 workers and artisans are involved in the construction of the Ram temple, including those in the workshops. Skilled workers from Rajasthan are responsible for the main temple stonework, while workers from Karnataka are working on the granite stonework. Column sizes were checked by the Central Building Research Institute. The blank spaces on the columns of the temple will be carved on site by skilled artisans from Odisha, and the iconography will finish in phase 2 by 2024. IIT Kanpur is documenting all the stages of construction with the design, drawings, reasoning, and the final decision for posterity.